This is a difficult killing challenge for white. Black's eye space is really big here on the corner. It has around 10 points, and white has many options. Many are very tempting, but only one is correct. And the first move is actually not that easy to find. So if white tries to reduce black's eye space this way, white will fail. Right? White might want to play this clamping move either as the first move or sometime around now, and this won't work. This won't work either, right? Black can capture white this way, right? Throwing in here is really important, reducing white's liberties, something like this. But of course you can say white can start this ko this way, but ko is not the optimal result. So number 1 can mostly be eliminated for now. This bend will not work because black can extend this way, and this eye space is really big. And white can't come in. And black will be able to live very easily after 1 and 2. Similarly, this will not work. Black can still play here, and white will be forced to connect, and this eye space is just too big. What about this move? Black will have to block here. White will play this clamping move. Now it seems like black can play this, right? This will be a ko, and if white connects, black can stand down here, and although white will be able to destroy this eye, this is already too big here in the corner. White will be able to make this into a bulky 5 shape, but black can find another eye here. So once again, the eye space is too big. So number 1 will not work. You can try some of the other variations on your own. So let's go to the most tempting move, and that is this clamp. Of course, this clamping might lead to kos, but actually black can stand down here. Seems like white can play this, forcing black to connect, and now white connects, and black will have no eyes left. But the problem is that this is a challenge for black to live. This is actually the same idea as problem 133 in the first section of this book. And black's move is right here. Now, white cannot cut because black will be able to capture white this way, and white cannot connect because now black can cut white this way. White can play this, but white is still cut off. And when white plays here, black can stand down. You can try some of the variations on your own, and black will succeed here on the corner, either by cutting off white or by winning a race to capture against whatever white has on the corner. So 1 and 3 will actually fail. We're thinking 1 and 3 will solve the problem. Unfortunately, you're wrong. So the correct first move is actually not this clamp, but instead on the 2-2 point. So this is actually also a good move that can easily be overlooked because clamping here or bending here on the first line, these are too tempting to try. This works because if black ignores it, white can connect back this way, and black will die. If white plays here, by putting some pressure on this stone, white can actually play this, black stands down, now white can play this, threatening to cut here, or here. What if black plays here? Now white cannot connect back, but what white can do is to threaten black with a connect and die. So now black must connect all of these. Now white can play this move. And now what's left in this corner is not a seki, but a dead shape. So if black comes in like this, white only needs to reduce black's eye space, and this will eventually be a pyramid 4 shape, a dead shape for black. If black increases its eye space like this, black is still dead, even if white doesn't play. Right? If black plays here, then white will play this, and this will be a bulky 5 or a pyramid 4 shape, both dead shapes. If black plays here, white can play this, and this is not a seki, because when white occupies all of these liberties on the outside, black will be forced to play this move. Otherwise, this would be a connect and die for black. So that is why after number 13, black is actually dead. here on the inside. So this is the correct sequence. Not very easy to find at all, but the other sequences are also great exercise for calculating life and death. Hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and good luck.